Okay, and I'm back in Texas, as you could probably see by the clips of me flying in planes, but here we are. That's a lot louder than before. Big metal ball of hubcaps, it looks like. So hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm back in Texas, and as you could probably tell, the BMW has a couple new modifications. It has a new Dinan exhaust and the new Dinan air intake. Let's go and take a look. I heard something else. Oh, it was the M6 next door. That's funny. As I was coming to the garage, I could hear rumbling, and I'm like, what is that? It's not the BMW. It's another BMW. It's the M6 next door. Look at this thing, man. That's an air intake, and it looks like it was made by aliens. All of this carbon fiber. Ugh, it's so cool. And of course, at the back, we've got the Dinan exhaust. Woo! The neighbor with the E46 M3 is also pulling in. That's really cool. He has a an SMG E46 M3. Hello, lizard. Lizard. Whoop. Whoop. So yeah, he has an E46 M3, which is very cool. I should do car spotting up here. I wasn't even looking at me with the camera. I should do car spotting up here. Nissan 350Z missing a front bumper and probably a catalytic converter just went by. But anyways, Dinan exhaust. The car is much louder now and sounds really, really, really nice. And I think you guys are gonna look forward to hearing it. I figured since I was in Texas, I could film the BMW and talk about plans for my cars, the Subaru and all that, because the Subaru, the blow-off valve parts were finally finished and those will get installed in July. Yeah, all sorts of stuff. We'll see what I think of. Ha, ha, that's a lot of heat. Oh man. Goes all the way down there. All of that piping. And out to these really cool black tips. You can see the welding. Apparently those things are kind of like diffusers. We're thinking about maybe putting bigger diffusers on the car. Things that are on the potential list are diffusers in the rear for the rear side, maybe the front, not as likely on the front. Some kind of a spoiler for the trunk. Probably something like a GTS style, maybe something from RPK. New wheels, new suspension, and I don't know, maybe a lip for the front bumper. And then when the car is brought down to Washington, where it's more legal to do so, I don't know if I've been pointing the camera at me this whole time, we might take out the catalytic converter too, but we'll see when we're there. But yeah, car sounds awesome, drives awesome, it's fast, and it crackles and pops more than my car does. But yeah. Whew. That thing looks like it was made by aliens. We haven't done this test yet on my car, but we're gonna see if we can hear the intake on the outside. Yeah, you can hear it. You can see it move. Oh, well. Oh, hey. I don't know, guys. Single turbo inline sixes always seem to sound better than other inline sixes. And there we go. Mila. Well, I don't know about you guys, but the 340i sounds really cool, especially with the new exhaust. I just, no offense to M3 owners and M4 owners and all that, but I don't like I think it's the S55. I don't like the S55 twin turbo inline six in those cars. I just don't like the way it sounds. This single turbo car sounds so much better. Even if it's a little slower, it sounds so much better. It'd be really cool to get it on a dyno and actually see what the true wheel horsepower is. I think that'd be really interesting. So since the last time I've been in Texas with me doing the car review of the BMW and also just the vlog I did where I went to a BMW dealer and did all sorts of things, the 340i xDrive got a new Dinan exhaust with the black exhaust muffler tips. It's got the whole thing all the way up. I think it's a catback because it doesn't include the mid-pipe. It got the exhaust, and it also got the Dinan carbon fiber air intake, which looks like something made by aliens. So that's really cool. The air intake sounds awesome. The car drives awesome. I really got to open it up again this time, and I got some good exhaust clips. I hope you guys enjoyed them. That was a lot of fun filming that. I hope it turns out pretty good. Not a whole lot is going to be happening in this vlog. I just wanted to document the car. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So it's not going to be a super long video today. But I also wanted to apologize for not having an episode of Motor Madness yesterday as of this video being published. I'm recording this on Monday. Normally I upload Motor Madness episodes on Mondays, but I'm all out of footage, and well, Season 2 of Motor Madness is over, so I'm going to be starting Season 3 soon, so I'm going to have to put together a new intro, but I'm not going to do that until sometime in halfway through July, which is this month actually. I'm going to put together a new intro and stuff. I'm going to probably start filming after I put the new blow-off valve on the car, which is going to be a really cool, I guess, big deal. All of the parts are machined for it, the adapters and stuff. I really look forward to picking them up and having it installed, because that combined with the new air intake and the whoosh sounds it makes. That's going to be so much fun. It's going to be like a car out of a video game or a movie. It's a little bit faster, but not super fast. And yeah, and as of me recording this, I've got a little over 10 months and 4 days, or 10 months and 3 days, as of this video being published, until my next birthday. So that is the exact amount of time I have to gather up all the money I need to be able to buy an E46 M3, whether it's an SMG or a manual 6-speed, and also have enough money to register and insure it and all that. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. We made a lot of good progress in the last couple of months. I think we're gonna hit about 50,000 to 60,000 subscribers by the time I get to my 22nd birthday. And you know, the goal is to get my dream car while I'm still 21 years old so that I can say, hey guys, at the age of 21, I got my dream car. And while, you know, I'm talking about my dream car in stock form, I won't be finishing the M3 GTR build by then, but I will at least get it, and I will hopefully be able to start it at least a little bit with some research and cool videos and episodes of my cars. So yeah, that's really cool actually, to be making progress towards that. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, and there's a voice saying, hey, if you keep at it, you might be able to get there. So if you guys are interested in seeing me build a proper, very fast M3 GTR E46, you should definitely subscribe and help me get to 60,000 subscribers, because that seems to be where I'm going to be. 50,000, 60,000, whatever. I'll celebrate, especially at 50,000. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. I didn't think I'd be able to... I didn't think I would be as close as I am to it today, because I don't have a lot of time to work and other things like that. But if YouTube's going to be my chance to achieve a life goal I had originally given up on, that's awesome. Other stuff before I sign out, all the move stuff is going okay. It's a little bit of a bumpy ride, but we're figuring stuff out. It's gonna be very cool. I'm very excited to be in Illinois. There's a lot of cool stuff I can do with cars and content wise. And you know, if the channel ever becomes big enough, I'm sure it would be a lot easier to organize a meet or something if you guys would be interested. I don't know. That seems a bit cocky, to be honest, this early on, to even be thinking about meets. I don't think many of you would be interested in that, but maybe. I feel like it would be a much better epicenter than to do it in Iowa or something. But yeah, I've noticed that when I don't do episodes of Car Topics Explained about movie cars, all of the viewership throughout the entire channel seems to really drop. So it looks like right now the hot thing to do content on is movie cars. So I had other things in mind and planned, but I'm just gonna put it on the back burner for now and keep doing movie cars. I'm sure you guys have no complaints there. So I'm gonna just keep doing movie cars. You guys really liked the episode I did on Leon's R33, and I had fun doing that, putting all that together, and I know you guys have been waiting a while for that one. So I'm gonna do some more highly requested cars and just knock them all out of the way and just keep doing what people are asking for, because it's not like I'm not enjoying it. I just wanted to experiment, and the results were the average views plummeted. So I'm gonna go back to doing what is requested and do that, and then later on I'll let you guys know what I have in mind, and you guys can let me know if you're interested, because I wanted to look at different things you can do with modifying cars. I also wanted to cover some of the cars in the YouTube community, so cover YouTuber cars and what parts they have and stuff. So let me know if you guys are interested in that, but if you'd rather just have me keep going through movie cars and video game cars and all that sort of stuff. I mean, there's so many of them out there, it'll take forever to run out of them. I have a huge list of requests because I keep track of all of my requests. Yeah, I've got quite a few, so I can just keep knocking those out. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the clips and footage of the recently modified BMW. I hope you guys are looking forward to the things I have planned. And thank you guys so much for watching. Keep an eye out for more posts I'm doing under the community tab. I might do a part 2 for the questionnaire I'm going to be doing. I'm thinking about maybe when I hit 20,000 subscribers, or just maybe in July or August or something while I'm in Washington State. I'll answer the questionnaire, answer all the questions, and so yeah, keep asking me questions. You guys have asked me a lot of car questions, so maybe ask me personal stuff, like about personal life, I don't know. Or maybe keep asking car questions, but I'm gonna probably make another post for a part 2 of the questionnaire, so keep an eye out for that, and I look forward to answering you guys' questions on video. And yeah, you guys have asked some good ones so far, so it'll be fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Tom, the Racing Joker, and I'll see you all next time. Keep it crazy, everybody.